Welcome back to Historical Ancient Recipes. Today, we're travelling back to medieval Europe to explore one of the most common and beloved dishes of the time, pottage. Pottage was a staple in the diet of both peasants and nobility alike. This hearty stew could be made with whatever ingredients were available, making it versatile and accessible to all. To make a traditional medieval pottage, you'll need a mix of grains, vegetables, and sometimes meat or fish. Today, we're using barley, carrots, leeks, onions, and a small piece of salted pork. We'll also be adding some herbs for flavour: parsley, thyme, and a touch of garlic. Pottage was often cooked slowly over an open fire, allowing the flavours to meld together. This slow cooking process made it perfect for using tougher cuts of meat or older vegetables that needed to be tenderized. First, we'll add the barley to the pot. Barley was a common grain in medieval Europe and added a hearty texture to the stew. Next, in go the vegetables. Root vegetables like carrots and leeks were often used, as they were easy to grow and store. Now, we'll add the salted pork. Meat was a luxury for many during the medieval period, so it was often stretched out by combining it with grains and vegetables. Finally, we'll season the pottage with parsley, thyme, and garlic, herbs that were commonly grown in medieval herb gardens. We'll let this simmer for about an hour, stirring occasionally. The slow cooking will allow all the flavours to blend together, creating a rich and satisfying meal. Pottage was more than just a meal. It was a symbol of sustenance and survival. In a time when food could be scarce, this dish provided essential nutrition and warmth. It was also incredibly adaptable. Families could use whatever ingredients they had on hand, making each pot of pottage unique. And here we have it, our medieval pottage, just as it would have been enjoyed centuries ago. The barley has absorbed all the flavours of the meat and herbs, and the vegetables are tender and sweet. It's easy to see why pottage was such a popular dish. It's hearty, nourishing, and incredibly satisfying. Thank you for joining me on this culinary journey back to medieval Europe. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to follow on all socials and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more historical recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!